To add a new block to your web page, scroll down to the bottom of an existing block and place your cursor over it until the Add Block button appears. Click on the Add Block button. Here, you will be able to choose between the different blocks to add to your web page. Simply click on the block of choice, and the new block will then be added to the web page. To change the settings of the new block, click on the Block button on the top left of the block to open the Edit Container Settings window. Here you will be able to add a background image for the block. Change the block color. Add a video background. Add a gradient and an overlay color. Once you have made the necessary changes, then click on Save.